Okay, now I'm going to demonstrate how to get started with After Effects. I've got the After Effects interface open here, and the first thing I'm going to do is double click on the project window, and that opens up my browser on my computer, and navigate to my folder where I have photos, and I'm going to look for an image that has some layers. It's a PSD. Photoshop image. I can insert an entire Photoshop image. I'm double clicking. It asks me how would I like to insert it, and I'm going to say to insert it as a composition and to let me edit my different layers. And so now I have a folder, and my folder has different images on it, the different images that are layered together. These are just a bunch of masks. But what we're really going to do is we're going to back up and make a new composition. I'm going to name my composition Circle. I have it set on 1080 HD TV. That's fine, 1920 by 18 by 1080. I'm going to change my background color to white. Okay. And I'm going to set my duration time to 10 seconds. Say OK. And then the next thing I'm going to do is go Layer, New, Shape Layer. I'm going to click on that. And then I'm going to see there's where it says Fill. I want that to be red. And then we go here where there's the rectangle tool. The shortcut is Q. But I'm going to click on it. Click on Q a few times until I get the ellipse. I'm going to hold down my Shift key and make a circle. Now we have on our compositions on our timeline below, you can see there's a little line where it says contents, and below that it says ellipse, and then below ellipse it says transform ellipse 1. I can rename my ellipse now. I could say red circle. I'm going to double click in that layer, and it lets me rename where it says shape layer. Actually hit the return key and you can name it red circle. Okay. And now when I click down, you can see under transform, we have our different appearances that we can change, the different characteristics we can change the appearance of. I'm going to start off by clicking on opacity. I'm going to hit the stopwatch. I'm in scale. I meant to say scale. I'm going to hit the stopwatch. And now I have my first keyframe here. I'm going to go ahead to 8 to 5 seconds in the timeline. And over here in the timeline, I will adjust my scale. Make it very small. I'll go ahead another few seconds in the timeline and adjust my scale again. And now I can hit 0. I can hit return.